hi to Sir Zaini. My name is Prathamisa binti Mahdi and my metric number BB20110737. In this individual video assessment, I choose the theme of information technology to be presented. In the term of IT and information technology, there are three aspects of information technology in the internet realm. For the first, what is meant by intellectual property? Intellectual property refers to invention such as literary and artistic work, symbol, shapes, names, and image used in trace or listen. Intellectual property system aim to foster an environment where the creativity and innovation of people who use a research from intellectual property can flourish. There are 6 types in intellectual property. Firstly, copyright. Second, patent. Third, trademark. 4, geographical. 5, trade secret. Next, what is meant by product license? A licensed product is a product that people pay, not just receiving a gift for free. It is a combination of both a quality product and brand, image, character or club that people want to be related with. There are lots of different types of license, but the most popular categories are film and television, sporting teams and events, tourist attraction and famous place, brands and well-known companies, car, motorbikes and other retailers, clubs and organizations, last but not least, major events. For the last aspect in information technology, let's know about plagiarism. Plagiarism is the presentation of a work from someone else's idea to be yours without the consent of the actual creator. There are 7 types of plagiarism, which are paraphrasing plagiarism, accidental plagiarism, mosaic or patchwork plagiarism, complete plagiarism, direct or verbatim plagiarism, self-plagiarism, and source-based plagiarism. The use of this information technology is very useful to the community such as primary school students, secondary school students, and university students in the right way. The correct use in using information technology among students is to avoid plagiarism of other people's work in completing individual tasks. This happens when a student is running out of ideas to complete an assignment given to them. In addition, the creativity of students in producing their own work in using information technology is very important for them to not consider a copyright of someone else's work. Besides that, students must use information technology in social media properly so as not to misuse the information given in a free or paid way by the creator of the work. Do you know how to use picture or any content in the internet medium? No? Okay, let me tell you 3 ways to use picture or any content on internet medium properly. The first way is to use public domain image or no copyright image. This is because the copyright holder release the work into the public domain, and you can also get public domain image on sites like Wikimedia Commons and Flickr Commons. The second is use Creative Commons image. Another great source of photos is image with a Creative Commons license. Last but not least, the third way is to use your own image or video. There are various facilities from application to edit photo or video to be clear and interesting. Plus, the photo will be entirely original. For example, you can edit photo using the Pixar application to get a beautiful filter or background so that the photo becomes more captivating. Another suggestion application that can edit picture is Canva, Photolab Picture Editor and Art, like Egg Photo Editors and Photo Effect, and so on. Meanwhile, your video can be edited according to your own creativity using the application like CapCut, InShot, Wondershare Filmora X, and Video Editor, and so on. That's all from me about technology information on internet realm. Thank you for watching and goodbye.